Blanching is the easiest way to keep and preserve most vegetables. This works with almost all grains, including ugu, kale, and even broccoli and cauliflower and their leaves. Yes, their leaves are edible and healthy. Blanching is the way to go. Start by rinsing your cut leaves in room temperature water, the way I showed you how to rinse the pap grains. Rinsing that way helps get rid of sand. The salt added before blanching is both to deep clean and also to help retain the green color. Baking soda also works for that. Don't keep the leaves longer than 30 seconds in the hot water. We want to blanch, not cook. Then transfer them into cold water to stop it cooking further. After that, squeeze and package. You can use this to make Efo Riro or add it to anything you want to add grains to, like porridge, rice and beans, stir-fry sauces, etc. See how easy and convenient it is? Now you will always have your green leafy vegetables available for whenever you need them.